So in this problem it is given that R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R, which is equal to focal length F, and R1 is equal to plus R, whereas R2 is equal to minus R. From length maker's formula we know that 1 by F is equal to n minus 1 times 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Now we substitute this, we get 1 by F is equal to n minus 1 into 2 by R, and focal length is also equal to R, so we get this as 1 by R. So RR gets cancelled and we have n is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1, which is nothing but 1.5. This is a refractive index.